Okay, yeah. This is our new rubber broom, and we're trying it out on some snowy cars. And my neighbor is kind enough to do the demo for us, and it looks like it's working great. He's able to get off the snow easily. He can reach because it's got a long handle. We got a lot of snow last night. Whew. So here goes the snow with the rubber broom. Doing good. It's a cold one out here. If I can come around the other side. How do you think it compares to the broom you were using?
Oh, it's a bit easier.
It's easier.
Yeah.
Good. It's probably a little stronger.
Well, it can get a lot more off than the other one.
Got more off?
Yeah. You can see it where I ground that car.
Yeah, this car he did with the regular broom. And it's still got a lot on it. And this car...
It was just a couple passes I already got almost all the snow off.
Yeah, that's cool. Great. Well, perfect. So the rubber broom, it's great for getting dog hair off of your carpets and all kinds of stuff, leaves off your decks if you live in the south where you have leaves right now. Good for snow. It's good for so many different things. There you go. I like it for so many things. So let me know if you want to get the rubber broom. It'll help you. Bye.